Summer is a time to rest, to replenish, to play and joy. Let's take your summer holiday homework is a way of journey, learning of journey, and not just a wastage of time. Hello Smartians, today I am discussing the holiday homework of class 6. First, we have to discuss the holiday homework of SST. In SST, you have to create a 3D model of the earth. By using the materials like a small ball or balloon, you have to paint it from the green and blue color. And what the purpose behind it, you have to show how the rotation and revolving of the earth. Now the second one is science. The first question is read about a great scientist. You have to read about a great scientist like APJ Abdul Kalam, Albert Einstein, Galileo Galilei, and write the name of the scientist which you have chosen, write the invention, and write what and in what ways he or she inspires you and your life. Okay, now the second question is you have to take an interview from your any family members and see how science and technology have changed over the years in the daily life. Suppose your grandparents using the chulas, nowadays gas stove, and we are using inductions also. So in this way we have to write how science and technology advancement our life. And you have to write all these holiday homework in a separate project file. Write a one-page report under science then and now, what my family told me to be direct post, comparison and a reflection. In this portion, you have to just make an interview. Then after, you have to write the experience and write in a separate project file. Now, next is computer. In first portion, you have to prepare a comparison chart showing the difference between the hardware and software. You have to create a poster showing cyber safety rules. And in the third portion, you have to write the 5 lines about your favorite programming language. You have to write and draw all these 3 questions in a separate A4 size poster size paper. Next is English. You have to write a short story using various adjectives like beautiful, wonderful, smart. In this way, you have to write a story on the topic of my favorite place or how I spend my summer vacations. Now the second question is you have to purchase a story book like the Naughty series by Enid Blyton. You have to purchase any of the book by any author. Read the story and you have to write a summary on your own words. You have to complete this English holiday homework in a test copy, separate test copy or thin copy you have to purchase from any bookstore, and you have to write all this holiday homework in a separate English copy. Now the next subject is mathematics. You have to make 2 or 3 different shapes, 3D shapes like cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, pyramid, and you have to make it from any waste materials like papers, newspapers, and make a 3D shape. And after draw it, you have to take a 1 A4 size paper and write the faces, edges and vertices in this and decorate it properly. Now come to the next and last holiday homework of Hindi. You have to take and purchase a separate copy for the Hindi holiday homework, and you have to read any comic book, story book from any author and write the story in your own words and also draw a diagram related to the directed story. This is drawing. You just have to draw or make a wall hanging which we are generally using in our houses. Do your homework, find your